I'm Kimberly with the Factory Shop, and on today's beginning cross stitch video, Cheryl Cohorn is going to show you how you make Smyrna crosses. They're used a lot in Priscilla Blaine's hands-on design patterns, so today you can learn how to do one on Ada.
So this is what a Smyrna stitch looks like, finished. It just gives you a little dimension, and it's very simple to make. We're going to bring our needle up. And just so it's a little bit larger and you can see a little easier, I'm going over 2 squares. So you do the straight stitch first. And we're going to come up in the center hole underneath, not on the left or right side, but in the center.
1 square down.
1 square down. We're going to travel over 2. So 1 square below, 1 square above your straight stitch, and make a vertical stitch. So you have a plus, and then we're just simply going to do a cross stitch on top of that. So lower left hand corner, upper right hand corner, lower right hand, upper left. To do one more. Straight stitch across, or horizontal, straight stitch vertical, cross stitch on top. It's a really nice effect for little stars or snowflakes.